friends, so first of all tap on the Microsoft Team app icon if you want to create poll, and then from here you have to select your team for which you want to create poll. And you have to tap on Teams General. Teams के General option पे tap करना है, and then you will move here. As you can see, already I have created one poll here, so we are going to create another one. So what we have to do is tap on the @ sign. @ जो साइन है आपका चैट का, वहाँ पे टैप करना है, and then you have to write forms here. Okay, so as I am writing, you can see the option is showing above. So I just forgot to tap on that option, so again I am deleting it, and then forms का ऊपर शो कर रहा है ऑप्शन, तो मैंने उस पर जब टैप किया है तो you can see clearly कि जो फॉर्म्स मेरा आया है टाइप हो करके, that is blue in color. So you also have to do it like this, and then I am going to write the question for which I am creating this poll. क्वेश्चन मैंने राइट डाउन किया, देन क्वेश्चन मार्क, एंड देन येस एंड नो. ओके, 2 आंसर्स यू हैव टू गिव. सो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग आर यू हैप्पी, क्वेश्चन मार्क, एंड देन आई एम गिविंग द ऑप्शंस येस एंड नो, एंड नाउ आई हैव पोस्टेड ऑल्सो. सो here you can see it will look like this. Question is here, and then yes and no is showing, and then you can see the responses also, as my meeting is going on right now. So and I have posted this question, so you can see responses are also coming here. जो क्विज जो है, ये पोल जो है, ये पहुंच चुका है, एंड इसके रिस्पॉन्सेज भी आपके सामने आ रहे हैं. यू कैन सी द चेंजिंग नंबर्स ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट अवर क्विक पोल्स, and we can get the result also same time, as you can see on my screen. So like this we can create quick polls if we want to ask quick answers from our attendees, like do you like online classes, yes or no, online classes are good substitute for offline classes, agree or disagree. Like these kind of questions we can ask from our attendees. I hope this will help you. Thanks to all.